Learning ethical hacking is highly applicable in the current era for anyone who is interested in having a career in cybersecurity. Learning the proper programming skills is a big part of learning this as well. Don't miss out on it if you wish to be successful here. Difference between black hat hacking and ethical hacking. 1. Goal: black hat hacking. It is executed in order to steal, destroy, or compromise systems for personal purposes. Ethical hacking: it is performed to discover and correct security problems with authorization. 2. Legality: black hat hacking, illegal and punishable by law; ethical hacking, legal and sanctioned by organizations or companies. 3. Intentions: black hat hacking, harmful and selfish, for example, stealing data or money; ethical hacking, useful and beneficial, for example, enhancing system security. 4. Permission: black hat hacking, no permission, hackers break in surreptitiously; ethical hacking, hackers are given full permission to test security. 5. Examples: black hat, illegally accessing a bank to take money; ethical hacker, checking a bank's system to prevent hackers from taking money. What are the programming languages of hackers? If you wish to be an ethical hacker, you should learn hacking's core programming languages. Do you want to know where to begin? JavaScript. JavaScript is ranked in the world's top 10 programming languages. JavaScript is primarily employed to develop websites. HTML. Web hackers must be familiar with HTML very well. It helps them to understand how websites are constructed, where errors can be made, and how websites and users communicate with each other. Python. Python is the most suitable language for hackers since it's simple to learn and highly convenient. SQL. SQL is vital to database hacking individuals who require it to work with databases. Bash. Bash is a scripting language for Linux. It assists hackers in automating procedures, including system security scans and network scans. C++. C++ is a strong C-based programming language. Hackers utilize it to develop sophisticated hacking software. It is commonly used for system hacking and malware creation. C teaches hackers about how computers and software operate at the most basic levels. It is useful in developing efficient hacking tools and locating bugs in software. Conclusion: anyone who wants to be an ethical hacker must learn programming languages. Each language has tools that help find and fix security problems. These skills help protect systems and build a strong career in cybersecurity.